Are you stuck with all your passwords trapped in Firefox? Learn how to export them all in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps from Firefox's help page to get your passwords out safely. First, go to the Firefox help page for exporting login data. You'll see a warning that your passwords will be exported as unencrypted, readable text, so be careful not to share this file. Then, you'll see information about importing login data from another browser, but we're focusing on exporting. Now, click the menu icon and select Export Passwords. A dialog box will remind you that passwords are saved as readable text. Go ahead and click Continue with Export. Finally, choose a file name and location, then click Save to export your logins as a CSV file. And that's it, you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.